What's up, guys? I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I just got my wife a new e-bike.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
So let's check it out. Let's open what's inside.
What the heck are you?
So what's he? Oh wow! Look at this one. Wow, really nice. It's packaged the bike really well. Some bubble wrap here. There we go. Okay. Here's the seat. What else do we have here? Accessory bag. Okay. So it looks like packaged really well. Those wheels are really nice. I like this all black rim with the red accent here in this inner part of the rim. Okay. So this bike is has a matte black color. So it looks sick. Matte black, not the shiny one. Here in the frame here. And when I'm done with this, I have to stand this bike up, put the fork. So next we're gonna open what's inside this accessory bag or accessory box. What's in here? Okay. This folding pedals. This one safety or factorized. One for the front, one for the back. Get some bell. And there's a here. Oh, it has uh-oh. Oh, the LCD screen. S900 LCD screen here. Oh, there's tools included, some hex and some wrench, and battery charger. There you go. So now that the bike has been unwrapped, there you go. I have to put the fork, install the wheel, and the electronics in the handlebar. And with that, it should be good. Yep. Okay. Straight right now. Then tighten this up again a little bit. And then you have to fold this top here so you can put this inside the fork here inside. So what you do is there's a little notch here, silver notch. You're gonna pull it up, then pull it back down, and then there you go. And you can fit this one inside here. This up. Hard here, little space. Use it around the screw. You can probably put the what's in here, the handlebar. There you go. Oh shit. The other way around. What the look at the brake. So that side. It's supposed to be. Oh yeah, I got it right. Oh man. Okay. Okay, next I'll be putting the front wheels. This one works. Okay, that's good. Then next, I'll be putting the seat. Yep. And look at that. I think it's almost done. All we're gonna do is clean this up here, little wrap, and the main computer here, this handlebar. That's the only missing part. Okay, I'll be putting the pedal first, right side. So far, I really like this color of this bike. It's a black with a red accent color on the wheel. It just looks really sick and badass. The left side, opposite thread here. Left side. I'll be putting the LCD monitor here. Next, can put this thing here. See if it works. Now that the LCD and the remote has been installed, all you're gonna do is just connect this little connector here, and I think this probably done. Go. It's good. And what's next here? I think one more piece, the mud guard here in the front, and then I think that's pretty much it. I can put the battery on there and the battery slot, and I can fire this bike up. Now that the assembly is done, let's put the battery in here. Just like here. And you have to take off the seat though when you put in the battery. There you go. Seat. Alright guys, let's try if we can turn on this bad boy. Hold this button here. Wow, the LCD screen is on. Looks like the display shows that the battery is still full. Okay, let's go make a test drive on this bike. Okay, let's try the throttle. If this one works.